Hey everyone, Malachi from Frase here, and I'm going to show you how Frase works in under 3 minutes. I always recommend starting by setting up your content governance. You can start by adding in any internal documents with information it would be useful for the AI to be aware of. You can also create your brand voice, set a detailed style guide, and add in any terms you'd like the AI to avoid using when writing. All of this will help reduce editing time and guide the AI to really write like one of your team. Now that you're set up for success, we can get started with Phrase's 4-step process to dominate in search: research, create, optimize, and monitor. First up, research. Begin by going to the Home tab and choosing a document style. You could choose the Rank Ready option, which is going to be a more automatic option that writes the entire document for you, and it's already SEO and GEO optimized. You could also choose Start SEO and GEO Research Project, which is going to be our more manual writing option that allows you to create everything from scratch. I'll go ahead and start with the Generate Rank Ready option here. You'll first begin by entering a keyword you want to rank for. I'll start by entering something like this. Then I'll click Generate Content. Frase is going to instantly analyze the top 20 Google results. You'll get questions people are asking, topics to cover, and a complete outline built from what's actually ranking. This research used to take hours, now it takes 30 seconds. When the research is done, you can write the content yourself using the research and outline as your guide, or, like I've done here, use this Rank Ready option and get a complete first draft in minutes. This isn't generic AI content, it's built from analyzing real competitors for your keyword. Either way works, you choose your path. Now that this Rank Ready option is done, we'll go ahead and review and optimize. As you write, you see 2 scores: your SEO score for Google rankings and your GEO score for AI platform citations. You're optimizing for both at the same time. The recommendations tell you exactly what to add, where to expand, and when your content is ready to publish. No guesswork needed. After you've published, you can move over to the Content Opportunities section to start monitoring your content. Frase monitors your content 24/7. You get alerts when pages start losing traffic early enough to save them, and if your content is slipping down the rankings, you can bring that into Frase to have it auto-optimize and prepare it for republishing with new SEO and GEO optimizations. You also get AI search tracking, which shows you exactly when ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Claude cite your content. Finally, you can measure your AI search presence and uncover gaps where you can improve. That's the complete workflow: research in seconds, content that ranks on Google and gets cited by AI, and proactive monitoring that catches opportunities. Plus, if you're publishing on WordPress, you can use Phrase's WordPress integration to streamline the process, all in one platform. Start your free trial, 3 documents, and no credit card required.